Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this boss look in Dress and Press without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Okay, first of all, you can use this hairstyle and then you're going to color it like this. And the second one, you're going to put on this necklace, make it this color, and put on this earring, make it this color. And then you're going to go to the dressing room. Okay, and then I'm going to use the items from the Valentine's update. And I'm going to choose this jacket. Okay, and for the jacket, I'm going to apply this color for the first selection, and for the second selection, just leave it like that. And then I'm going to go to the cards item, and we're going to put on this necklace. For this necklace, we're going to make it white. Okay, and then the next one, still in the cards item, we're going to put on this bag, and I'm going to make it this color. And for the fourth selection, I'm going to apply pattern. Okay, I'm going to apply this pattern for the ribbon. Okay, done guys. And I'm going to go to this skirt area, and I'm going to put on this skirt. And for this skirt, I'm going to apply this pattern. And then I'm going to go to the shoes area, and I'm going to put on this one and make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to combine it with this one. And for this one, I'm going to make it this color for the second selection. Okay, and the next one guys, you can put on this corset, and for this corset I'm going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to apply this pattern for the third selection as well. And for the fourth selection, I'm going to make it this color. Oops, sorry, for the fourth selection, apply the same pattern. And for the last selection, I'm going to make it black. And then we're going to put on this skirt. I'm going to apply this pattern. Oops, sorry, for the first selection, I'm going to make it black. And for the second and also the third selection, we're going to make it this pattern. Okay, done. And the last one, I'm going to put on the stocking, and I'm going to make the second selection black. Okay, and this is for the boss look. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.